Musumbi William Ruto niwaikiithisya enenthi kana silikali niyosete matambya mailu maivinda ikuvina yasa kuukitana na miisyo ila mbua ya Nino yiendeeye na ukusiiwa aithingilila kana vena mathayu miongo muonza ala maminite kwa na misi ngili miongo 36 yana 160 kuthamwa ni kivuta mbua Ruto niwasa kana kimanza cha bilioni 24 ni kivathitwe cha kutethesya Akenya ala mekumbilitwe ni miisyo ndeto anene ya State House ilovi Kavindani kala na umbano na maofisa kuukitana na mbanga cia mbua ni multi-agency emergency response team kale buchano nukutuelesea
ne Kavindani kambu ambinge yiendeeye na ukusiiwa isioni mbinge Kenya na kuete miisyo kivathukan'yo sivo iku kuri munthi State House Kavindani kale komanite na ikundi na mbonge ile ivaniwa kuthinekea miisyo ya mbua mbinge Musumbi Ruto niwaikiithisya Kenya kana silikali ni kuosa matambya mamituki kuthinekea mathina ala makonenitwe na mbua ya Nino na iletiite andu miongo muonza matethayu na misyi ngili miongo 36 maana ili na miongo 60 yindute ni mbua esu.
Unfortunately, we have lost 70 people across Kenya because of these rains, and about 36,160 households have been displaced so far. The meteorological department tell us that these rains will continue, and therefore we need to prepare ourselves for the emergency situation that is going to ensue as a result. And taking into account the situation in the country now to do with our roads, the food situation, the water situation, the medicine delivery situation in Kenya. Cabinet will meet on Monday to deliberate on the various recommendations that have been made.
Ruto niwaweta kana silikali ne kutenga kimanza cha bilioni ile katono ina kunenganele ukwandu ala matena numba kumana na mbua yiendeeye.
As you're all aware, last week, government of Kenya made available resources to the special to the Ministry of ASAL to make sure that adequate food is available. Already 2.4 billion shillings have been made available to buy food and to make sure that that food is delivered where it is most needed.
Kavindani kauga kiweta kana muvea uimo wa mwenu kwatiania na muvea wa masalaba mutune kuondwa kunenga na uiti kwa andu ala metha memu isioni wake uimo wa mwe.
The Ministry of Health, working with the Council of Governors and Red Cross, will be mobilized to provide medicine commodities for water treatment, for disease management, be it cholera, malaria, and all the others that will be assessed as requirements in different parts of Kenya. The Minister for Health, who is here, has been tasked to provide leadership with the different agencies working in collaboration with the Council of Governors to make sure that health commodities are available in different parts of the country.
Mwathanyani wawa kwambililia Musumbi Ruto niwa waweta kanano kunenga nilivoti kwa withianu itina kukwatiania na serikali cia kaundi na mbongila sio konywa kuthinekea undu yulo ametatalela kuikithia kana Kenya mainethi wa mwisioni kumanwa na mbua ya Nino.
To make sure that we centralize all the information coming from different parts of Kenya, we process that information and provide adequate interventions from a one government approach, both at the national and at the county level. I will be issuing a much more comprehensive statement with all the details of what we will be doing in the short term, in the medium term, and in the long term on Monday, after we have discussed all the recommendations that will be made by the different teams.
Kaleb Chalo Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Mauvo.